3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. In the last video we have learned how to locate root 2 and root 3 on the number line. In this video we shall learn how to locate root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9. To locate root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9 on the number line, we have to draw one number line here. Value of this root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8 and root 9 will come between 2 and 3. So let us first locate root 5 on the number line. So before locating root 5 on the number line, see 5 is closer to 4. So root 5 can be written as root 4 plus 1 and root 4 plus 1 can be written as 2 square plus 1 square. So let us take 2 unit as base. So I have taken 2 centimeter as 1 unit. So let us take 2 unit and this is base. Now here we have to draw one perpendicular by using protractor. Otherwise we can say that it is D shape. Now join these 2 points. Then perpendicular you have to take 1 unit distance. So this is a perpendicular and we have to take 1 unit distance. So this is 1 unit distance. So this is 1 unit distance. And you have to keep compass here and you have to mark like this. You have to cut this distance of 1 unit distance. Then next we have to join these 2 points. Then next you have to give name for this vertices of right angle triangle. So this is A, this is B and this one is C. Now value of this side is AC is root 5. So take this distance AC and draw one arc here. So this is the distance root 5. Let us give name for this P. So value of AC and AP is equal to root 5. So value of root 5 is 2.23. So 2.3 will come here. Distance of this AC is equal to distance of AP. So AC is root 5 and AP is also root 5. Let us prove how this root 5 we get here by using Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property. So what is Pythagoras property here? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle? So this is a right angle. Opposite to this right angle always hypotenuse. This is base and this is perpendicular. So hypotenuse is side AC square is equal to base is AB AB square plus perpendicular is BC square. AC square is equal to AB. How much distance we have taken? 2 unit. So 2 square plus BC we have taken 1 unit. 1 square. AC square is equal to 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1. So AC square is equal to 4 plus 1 5. This square I will bring to right hand side. So AC is equal to, we will get here under root. So this will 5. So this way we can prove AC is equal to root 5. How we will prove AP is equal to root 5? If we draw one circle here like this, this is a circle and these are the two radii. AP is one radius and AC is another radius. So distance of these two radius are same. Root 5 is equal to root 5. In order to locate all these irrational numbers, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, first we have to locate root 5. Now let us locate root 6. So in order to locate root 6, we have to draw one perpendicular here. And this base you have to take AC. Now let us join these 2 points. Next, we have to take 1 unit distance here. 0 to 1, this is 1 unit distance. And we have to keep compass here and cut the distance of 1 unit. Next, we have to join these 2 points. Let us give name for this point as D. Next, we have to draw one arc by choosing this distance AD. So this AD is radius of a circle. So let us cut one arc here. So this is root 6 and this is also root 6. Let us give name for this Q. Let us prove this distance of AD root 6 by using Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is hypotenuse here? AD square is equal to base is this AC square plus perpendicular is CD square. So AD is can be written as AD square is equal to AC square is root 5 square plus CD is 1 square. AD square is equal to root 5 square is 5 plus 1 square is 1. So AD square is equal to 5 plus 1 6. So square I will bring to right hand side. So AD is equal to under root 6. Now let us locate root 7 on the number line. Now we have to choose base as AD and we have to keep protractor like this. And we have to mark one point here like this. And next we have to join these 2 points. Next we have to choose 1 unit distance. 0 to 1 distance is 1 unit. So next we have to keep compass here at the point D, and we have to cut the distance of 1 unit. Then next we have to join these 2 points. So this is root 7. Next we have to mark root 7 on the number line. So we have to take the distance of, let me give the name for this point as E, and choose this distance AE and draw one arc here. So this is root 7 on the number line. Let me mark the point as R. So this root 7 can be proved by using Pythagoras property. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse square here will be AE square. Base you have to take AD square, and perpendicular you have to choose DE square. So here base will be root 6 square and perpendicular is 1 square. After doing this, you will get the answer root 7. After calculating this, you will get root 7 value. So next we shall locate root 8 on the number line. So we have to keep protractor like this, and we have to choose base as AE. You have to mark one point here, and we have to join these 2 points. The next step is to choose 1 unit distance. So this is 1 unit distance, and we have to keep compass at the point E, and we have to cut 1 unit distance. Then we have to join these 2 points. Let us mark this point as F. So this value is root 8. So next we have to locate this root 8 on the number line. Therefore we have to choose distance of this AF. This is AF. Now we have to draw one arc like this. So this point is root 8. Let us give name for this. Yes. You can prove this root 8 by using Pythagoras property. So let us locate root 9 on the number line. So first we have to keep protractor here, and we have to choose base as AF. Then we have to mark one point here. Then we have to join these 2 points. Next we have to choose 1 unit distance. This is 1 unit distance, and we have to keep compass at the point F, and we have to cut 1 unit distance like this. Then we have to join these 2 points, and this distance is root 9. Now let us locate root 9 on the number line. So for this we have to choose distance AG and draw one arc here like this. Exactly you will get the value of root 9 as 3. Let me prove this root 9. So here AG is equal to A. So let me write name for this point This is P, Q, R, S, T, A, T. So we shall write Pythagoras property here. H square is equal to B square plus P square. So hypotenuse here would be AG square is equal to base would be AF square plus perpendicular would be FG square. AG square is equal to AF square is root 8 square plus FG is 1 square. So AG square is equal to root 8 square is 8 plus 1 square is 1. So AG square is equal to 9. Let me move 2 square to right hand side. AG is equal to root 9. So let me mark here right angle here. See, what is the square root of 9? This is 3. So this is the value of root 9 is 3. In this video, we have learned how to locate root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8 and root 9. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and share.